Number 1.
1990 GMC 1500, price $8,500. With 180,000 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with a 5.7L V8 350 short block paired to a 5-speed manual transmission, offering plenty of power and control. Finished in turquoise inside and out, the truck has a unique, period-correct look that stands out on the road. It runs on gasoline, and the seller holds a clean title along with current emissions paperwork. The truck starts, runs, and drives reliably, with a body and frame that remains solid for its age. The interior is well kept, showing no major tears or cracks, while the bed is clean and the tailgate functions properly. Tires still have plenty of tread left, and both the seat and heat are in working order. Adding to its appeal, this GMC 1500 still carries all its original glass and trim, highlighting how well it has been preserved over the years.
Number 2.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800. This truck comes with a clear title and has been carefully maintained over the years. With 166,000 miles showing on the odometer, it presents well with a gold exterior and a brown interior that both reflect the truck's classic late 80s style. In 2023, it received a remanufactured 305 V8 engine along with a 3-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, and since then it has been driven only about 3,000 miles, ensuring strong and dependable performance.
The truck runs smoothly, sits on quality Michelin tires, and overall remains in good condition.
As a reliable classic pickup, it captures both vintage appeal and everyday usability, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enjoy Chevrolet's durability and design from this era.
Number 3.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. Showing 257,000 miles, it still runs impressively well, a testament to the strength and durability of its engine and overall build. This truck comes with an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, ensuring it's ready for both everyday driving and tougher conditions. Its gray exterior is paired with a matching gray interior, creating a clean and cohesive look. The SLT trim enhances the experience with premium leather seating and upgraded interior styling, setting it apart from the base models. Adding to its appeal is the step-side bed, a feature not commonly found, which gives the truck a distinctive touch. Despite the high mileage, this Sierra drives exceptionally smoothly and remains a solid, dependable option for work, hauling, or daily use. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,200. It has 233,600 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a bright red exterior with a tan interior, it is powered by a reliable V6 Vortec engine. The truck features a bed liner and hitch, making it ready for both daily use and hauling needs. It runs well, with both air conditioning and heat in working order, and the fuel pump was recently replaced. All the lights are functional, and the vehicle has been garage kept for the past 5 years, helping to preserve its condition. While there is some wear and rust consistent with its age, it carries a clean title with no reported accidents.
Number 5.
1987 Ford Ranger, price $4,500. The odometer currently shows just 19,000 miles, though the exact mileage cannot be fully guaranteed since the 5-digit odometer may have rolled over at some point. Even so, a longtime neighbor of the original owner strongly believes the reading to be genuine, as the elderly gentleman who owned the truck before his passing was known to drive it very rarely. The Ranger still starts and runs, though it will require replacement of the fuel tubes to be fully road-ready. Cosmetically, both the interior and exterior remain in very good shape for a vehicle of this age, showing how carefully it has been kept over the years.
With its clean title and preserved condition, this truck represents a rare opportunity to own a well-maintained first-generation Ranger that carries both usability and classic appeal.
Number 6. 1985 Dodge Ram, price $5,500. This truck is a solid example of a classic workhorse that has already seen major improvements. It runs on a reliable 318 engine with 106,000 miles and is paired with 4x4 capability, making it ready for both daily use and tougher jobs. The truck comes with a full 8-foot bed, offering plenty of space for hauling. Over the years, it has been given significant attention, with many important parts already replaced, including tires, brakes, brake lines, the fuel line, battery, wiper motor, headlights, exhaust system, as well as new spark plugs and wires, among other updates. While it still requires a bit of TLC to be fully dialed in, it has already come a long way in its restoration journey, making it a dependable pickup that combines classic style with practical functionality.
Number 7. 1969 GMC 2500, price $7,000.
With 180,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 250 inline-6 engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear, making it both rugged and practical for everyday use. The truck is finished in a classic brown exterior with a contrasting blue interior, giving it a unique period-correct look that stands out from more common color combinations.
Running on gasoline, it has proven to be reliable enough to serve as the current owner's daily driver since last year.
In its present condition, it is ready to pass a Texas safety inspection, which speaks to its solid mechanical shape. With the recent purchase of a newer car better suited for long-distance travel, the owner is now offering this vintage GMC to someone who can continue to appreciate and enjoy it as a dependable driver or as a strong candidate for restoration.
Number 8.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, powered by gasoline. It features a freshly remanufactured 383-stroker engine with a towing compared to a 4L80E automatic transmission. The engine, which has just completed its break-in with around 2,000 miles on it, runs strong and is equipped with an Edelbrock TBI intake and a Holley TBI. The truck has received many new parts and drives as well as stops with confidence. It shows no rust, though it carries the typical dents and dings expected from a farm truck. The previous owner mainly used it on the farm but rarely drove it during the winter, keeping it well cared for over the years. The original tailgate was missing and has been replaced with a red one, and the rear bumper shows some wear. Despite these minor cosmetic details, the Chevrolet 2500 remains a very solid and well-preserved truck for its age.
Number 9.
1982 Jeep J10, price $7,650. It has been upgraded with a Gen 3 5.3 LV8 4L60E transmission and NP272 transfer case. It runs, shifts, drives, and stops well, with fully working 4WD. The body shows the usual box rust for its age, but the inner and outer rockers remain solid. Upgrades include an aluminum 3-core radiator, 255 lph external fuel pump, VATS delete with HP tuners, new tires, and front brake hoses. The engine has all new gaskets, though the driver's side valve cover has a minor leak, and it still needs a driver's side O2 sensor. Factory oil pressure and temp gauges work. The gas gauge functions when near empty, new sender included. And while the speedometer doesn't work due to the electronic transmission setup, GPS provides accurate speed readings.
Number 10.
1980 Ford F150, price $2,700. This truck shows just 89,000 miles and is finished in blue with a contrasting red interior. Powered by Ford's dependable 300 CI inline-6, it's paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission that shifts smoothly and adds to its classic charm. The truck runs on gasoline and has proven itself to be remarkably reliable, having made repeated trips to Kansas City, Sioux City, and Lincoln without a single issue. Recent maintenance includes a new clutch, battery cables, starter, radiator, and a rear-end flush, along with an oil change performed just 500 miles ago. With its solid mechanical condition and well-preserved character, this F-150 offers both the durability and nostalgia that make vintage Ford pickups so desirable.